Yes, 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 yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today we are going to look at the crypto market, Bitcoin, and I'm just going to basically tell you guys my thoughts and answer some questions. I'm quite sure you guys want to, ask questions. So let's get the party started. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I'm a professional trader. I day trade the financial markets Monday through Friday, and I do it from home full time. So I love it. If you want to learn more about that, just hit that subscribe button. Okay, I only focus on the charts. I don't really care about news. I don't care about what your favorite YouTuber is saying. I don't care about what the news is saying. It doesn't matter. Okay, numbers don't lie. The chart doesn't lie. So, I like to focus on that. So, let's get the party started. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not getting anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. And also, if you're watching that replay, you can actually speed up the replay by hitting the settings button and hitting 1.5 or 2. So, let's get this party started. Let me see if I see anybody here. Let me see. I see a couple of people here. Okay, cool. So overall, guys, we had a nice little pump this week. I know some of you guys wanted me to go live, but it's just with crypto is the same story over and over and over. This doesn't surprise me at all. Once in a blue, we have crazy moves to the upside or to the downside. Okay, but we talked about this right here when I went live. I think last week we talked about this. I told you guys that I was waiting, okay, for more upside. Okay, we talked about this multiple times. Okay, I told you guys I'm looking for maybe 9,000 around there. Okay, around 9,000. I told you guys I'm looking for that number. We were setting up nice for an up move, and voila, we got it. Okay, this is why it's very important to understand how to read the charts instead of trying to hope and wish and doing all these stupidness when it comes to the market. Okay, you have to basically understand what the chart is trying to tell you. I'm outside in nature, so if you hear any noise in the background, that's why. Now, let me see. So we have this nice pump right here. Okay. Before I even continue, let me make sure, guys. Can you guys hear me? Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Let me make sure you guys can hear me. Can you guys hear me? Type in the chat. Can you hear me? All right. Before I even continue to go, I think everything looks good on my end, but I want to make sure you guys can hear me. Testing 1 2 3. Testing. Okay, cool. You guys can hear me. All right, cool. All right, so basically, we had this pop. Okay, so the way I'm looking at things, right, guys, we have major resistance. Okay, the first one would be around this area right here. Okay, which is why we saw some selling going on here. The next one would be of course, this trend line in that 10,000 mark. Okay, that is very that zone or that area is very strong. Okay, just go look at it in the past. Every time we touched that 10,000, okay, sellers came in. So we have to break that 10,000 mark, right, for any type of bullish action. Okay, forget about what your favorite YouTuber is telling you. We're going to 20K or 100K or whatever K. Okay, forget about all that stuff. Okay, then the chart will tell you, okay, if the market wants to do something. We have to break out of here. Okay, me personally, I would love to see a nice break and then a retest. All right, doesn't really have to come all the way back down, but a decent retest and then continue to go back up. Okay, if I don't see anything like that, then can't call anything bullish. Okay, overall, I still don't like how the structure is forming. It still looks very bearish to me. I still see a lot of resistance right here and a possible turn to the downside. You have to understand that we have the halving coming very soon. I believe 9 more days or something like that. So You have to understand that's a possibility. It doesn't happen. It doesn't have to happen the same week. Okay, it can happen a week before or a week after. Okay, or anytime after. A lot of people like to sell the news, so you have to expect that. Okay, one thing I don't like about this move is we definitely going parabolic on this move right here. So it looks like we're going to have some type of selling soon with this type of move. Okay, we do have the possibility of going up a little bit higher. Okay, maybe to test this trend line or that 10,000 mark. It's a possibility. But the way we're going up in a straight line, I don't like that. Most likely you will see some type of pullback. Now the pullback doesn't mean that we're going to go all the way back down. It just means that we're going to probably have some selling going on. So if we do have selling going on and it pulls back to this breakout, we have to see if this breakout will hold. Okay, and then we'll see we continue to go back up. So that's what I'm looking at right now, guys. It's just very simple, straight to the point. Make sure that you have to make sure that you understand that resistance is right here. Okay, take things day by day. Don't get too excited. I try to teach my subscribers, please do not get too excited when you see up moves. An up move is just that. Okay, it's just the market going up, but doesn't mean that the market is going to 50K or anything like that. We have to take things day by day. Okay, how many times we saw the market go up just to go right back down? Okay, so we have to take it day by day. Let's be realistic here, and we go from there. Let's see if I see any questions here, guys. If you have any questions, guys, type it in, because this is not going to be a long live stream. Okay, this is not going to be a long live stream. Have any questions, type it in right now. Let's look at some more coins. Let's look at Ethereum real quick. So Ethereum is popping up. Can't really tell what it's trying to do, because most of these charts still look suspect. Let's keep it real. A lot of these charts still look suspect. Bitcoin is the only chart that looks okay-ish. Okay, XRP. XRP really not doing anything. It's going up a little bit, but I don't see anything yet. Litecoin. Same thing. Just kind of look kind of weak right here. I don't know. Looks kind of weak. Hopefully, get a nice little up move here. We'll see. But that's about it. I mean, really, I don't have to keep on watching or looking at these other coins. But overall, these coins still have a lot to go. Right? These coins are still down a lot. BTC, like I said before, guys, is the main coin, and it is a distraction. Okay, and we just have to wait. Let's see if I see any questions. All right, any questions, guys? Bobby, what's going on, bro? You said 10,000 is going to be hard to break. Yeah, I mean at 10,000 level, it is a hard level right now. Okay. But the way the market is moving right now, I do expect some type of sell-off soon. Maybe either this week coming, or maybe 2 weeks, or 2 weeks to a month right now. Because the way we're just going up straight up into this resistance is not, it's not a good sign. Most likely you're going to see some type of pullback. Okay, and then from there we have to see. Okay. Then from there we have to see if the market wants to basically continue to go up. I think better for alts. I don't know, man. Alts been honestly, it's a sad situation with these altcoins, man. I mean, these altcoins are just sad right now. A lot of them are not moving. I mean, they just going up a little bit, but that's about it. I hope they go up, but you know, they definitely looking, you know, sad right now. You have to understand, we still in the bear market, so you know, whenever this bear market is over, maybe you start to see some moves. But I still think, you know, a lot of these coins have to die, and we didn't have that yet. Do you think the crypto market is going to go? Is you said? Do I think the crypto market is going up due to the? Yes, it's going up because of having it. Yes, I definitely believe that, and I believe eventually we will pull back. Now that pullback, is it going to be all the way down to the lows? Probably not. It's probably just going to pull back maybe to this breakout, and then probably try to test it again. The high, you know, trying to go up again, and then we'll see from there. We will see if, you know, the market wants to break this, you know, pull back and continue to go back higher. You know, take it day by day. But this right here, this trade right here was just, I hate to use the word easy, but I mean, it was just straightforward, straightforward, easy money right here, in my opinion. You know. A lot of money right here. Let's see if I see any more questions here. You said pull back to 68. Let me see. I don't know. I mean, pull back to the breakout. Okay. So it could be the 6,000 level. Yeah, it could be that. You know, they can do some you know, maybe an inverse head and shoulder right here. So we got that, you know, left shoulder. They can do something like that. Pull back, make an inverse. Now this inverse doesn't have to work. It's just, you know, it's a possibility we can bounce off of here, and we just have to see if this resistance, you know, they want to break this resistance. That's all, you know. Because like I said, I'm still looking at this whole structure, and it doesn't look good. Okay, all I see is a possible 3. All right, like you see right here, you got a. I see a possible, you know, third one right here, lower high, just to go back to the downside. Okay, that's a possibility. We could have, you know, this go down here. Okay, and then I don't know how far they want to bring it down. Then you probably have that move up from here, but you know, we'll see. Let's see, go back to the questions. Possible higher to wipe out beers. Yeah, I mean, possible. What's going on, Jesus, man? Shout out to you. Buy the room and sell the news, exactly. That's why I said this trade right here was, you know, a very straightforward trade right here. I mean, basically, you knew the halving was coming out very soon. It was setting up a nice little breakout right here, straight to the point. Money in the bank right there. You knew we was gonna have some type of pop before the halving. That was a pop right here. Now you have to watch out. Be very, very careful of a sell-off. Okay, doesn't mean that sell-off is going to bring it all the way back to down to 3,000, but just beware of a sell-off. Okay. People love to buy in too late. They love to buy at the highs right here. I mean, in my opinion, there's no reason why anybody will buy around here. Too much resistance. All right, let's keep on going. All right, so basically, guys, that's about it. I'm not going to keep you guys too much today, but that's what I'm looking at. Okay, you have a lot of people looking at unrealistic numbers. I still don't understand why people still think that way. I mean, you know, I think it's just people that invested so much money to the point where they are willing to believe anything. Okay, you have to be realistic when it comes to investing or trading. You can't just think that the market is just going to shoot up just because you have all your life savings in the market. You have to be realistic. This could be a long bear market. So far, the market is not showing any signs of, bullish actions yet. We just bouncing off support, resistance. We just been in this big channel for this big range for going on 3 years. All right, and that's what you have to understand. We want the market to break this right here, break that 10,000, pull back, and then continue to go back up. That's what we want. Other than that, we just in this crazy range, and that's it. So just be realistic, and try not to get your hopes up too much, and just be patient and wait, right? And go from there. Let's see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. Yeah, guys, if you have any more questions, let me know. I'll give you guys maybe another 2 to 3 minutes. But I hope you guys are doing good overall. I hope you guys are studying. I hope you guys are basically, taking advantage of downtime. If you do have downtime, taking advantage of that, staying healthy. Understanding life is not a game. You really have to be on your toes and be prepared, for anything. Educate yourself so you don't have to be one of those guys that's always hoping. Instead of hoping, make some money. Okay? That's it. If you want to learn how I'm able to do this full time, basically go down in the description. You have all the information right there. Let me see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. Ben, why do you think crypto is on the rise and the market is down during the pandemic? You said what market? And the market was, you said, is down? What market is down? What market is down, Bobby? You said crypto's on a rise and the market is down. Let me know what market you're talking about. The stock market? The stock market is not down. Last time I checked, the stock market is rising up like crazy. This is not down right here, bro. This is a nice recovery. It did way better than Bitcoin. So Bitcoin and the stock market is pretty much doing the same thing. It's recovering. So the stock market is definitely not down. Bitcoin is rising. The stock market is rising. Let me see, guys. Let me see. Some more questions, please. Pump and dump. You said, please help. You're confused. Pump and dump. You're confused. You confused about Bitcoin? Is it a pump and dump? I mean, basically, this right here, what you're looking at right now is, a pump because of the halving and coming very soon. Okay. Now, will it dump? We will see. I don't know. No one knows the answer. Okay. All I can tell you that I don't like this straight line parabolic move. So that tells me that we have resistance. First of all, we have resistance around here, right? So that tells me is a strong possibility we will see some type of sell-off, okay? Now, will that sell-off, be a major dump? I don't know, okay? We still have support right here, okay? We have support around here, so it could definitely find support around here, this area right here, okay? So even if it dumps, it should hold some type of support right here. And then we have to see if the buyers want to, buy it up. But overall, I mean, the market's in a bear market and it's struggling very much. I mean, let's keep it real. I'm a realist, and basically we've been in the bear market for a long time and it's struggling to go higher. And we just have to take things day by day and wait to see if it gives us any signs of some type of life. Let's go to some more questions here. We going to 11K, bro. I mean, hey man, if it goes to 11K, let it go to 11K. All I'm telling you guys is, take things day by day. We have resistance around here. All right. Keen on XRP. You said a way to keen on XRP. How do you feel about XRP right now, man? Because I really can't get anybody that invests in XRP to give me a real answer on how they feel about XRP. Every time I ask somebody, they just, nobody answers. And I'm not trying to be, funny or anything. I'm just trying to, really get an honest answer. Let me see. So why are analysts calling this a recession? Analysts is calling basically the only reason why they can actually call this a recession is because we have over 6 million people, Americans, out of work. Okay, so basically, let's say that the market decides to break all-time highs, right? Let's say that the market just keeps going up, all right, and we break the all-time highs. Guess what? Okay, the market itself is still not a reflection, right, of what's really going on, because the Fed is pumping the market up. Okay, remember, this up move is based on just the Fed pumping it up. Okay, so it's not real. Okay, but the economy itself, with people getting laid off, everything's at a pause right now. A lot of businesses are not open. So yes, you can call that a recession because a lot of people are on unemployment. All right, let's go back to some questions here. Muhammad said, price will not go down much. 12-month chart will close green next. So don't sell, just buy everything and hold. Muhammad, Muhammad, are you 100% sure about that? Thomas says, I'm ignoring him. Thomas, Time-mish, I answered your question already. Thomas' question was pump or dump, please. Help. I'm confused. I answered your question. I told you that this could be a pump to resistance and we can sell off. I don't know if it's going to dump all the way back down to 3K. I told you that multiple times. So Muhammad is 100. Guys, listen, guys. If Muhammad has any type of service, please sign up to his service. Okay? If he has a course or any type of service, sign up to him. Okay? Because he's 100% sure that price will not go down. So if he is 100% sure, that means that he can tell the future, right? That means that he has the ability to see the future. So please sign up to whatever service he's had. Sign up to him because he's the man. He's the man. He knows 100% Bitcoin is not going down. Let me see. MK, this thing just shot up through some big resistance, breaking a sweat. This thing pull up more buys from the, I'm trying to read this. This thing just shot up through big resistance. Not really. Not. I don't see any. It shot up through a big resistance. You talking about crypto or what? Let me know, because I don't. We still have resistance right here, so we didn't shot through any big resistance at all. This is the major resistance right here, that 10K level around here, 95, 10K. I'm just messing with you, Muhammad, though. But you know, what I tell people is, when it comes to the market, no one is 100% sure. You know, no one is 100% sure. So, hey, what's going on, Ken? Bobby, I have a good question. They are printing trillions of dollars in stimulus checks. How will that affect inflation? How can America keep printing? Yeah, I mean, basically, they can't. I mean, eventually, you know, things will. You have to understand, man. This system that they have, man, it can't last. Okay, but they have the ability to play it out for a long time. Okay, so eventually, yes, this whole thing will fall. When? I can't give you a time. No one knows when. They can play this another 20, 30, 40 years. Okay, yes, inflation will continue to go up. Okay, but I mean, basically, they are, you know, the owners of everything, so they can do whatever they want. But yes, it will affect inflation, and you know, it will go up. They can't eventually. I mean, the way I'm looking at it is, I think they know that, you know, this system won't last, so they doing whatever. Okay, it's almost like, you know, you know that something's not gonna last, so you know you're just gonna blow it up anyway. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking they're doing. They're gonna blow it up anyway, and they probably gonna introduce another system. Okay, they're gonna introduce another system. Muhammad said, "I just come to help you. I make enough money by trading the trade and check my chart on. I don't know." So Muhammad, I can't really read the whole sentence, but shout out to you, man. Good luck, bro. Muhammad is the man. I told you guys, whatever service he have, man, sign up, bro. He's the man. Yes, he said that he's making enough money by trading, and he knows 100% sure. He's 100% sure Bitcoin would never go back down. Muhammad, please come back. Please come back. I beg you. Please come back when you see the market pulls back. All right? Please. Shout out to you, though, man. I appreciate it. Appreciate you stopping by. Let's go back. Let's go back to some more questions, guys. Some good questions so far. Some good questions, man. Shout out to Bobby. Some very good questions. If you guys have any more questions, let me know, because I'm about to end this. End this soon. This live stream soon. Muhammad always was a prophet. Yeah, man. You know when the market goes up, you have these moon boys come in. You know, once in a blue, and then when it goes back down, they disappear. So, you know, I don't get it. I don't get it. But it's all good though. You know, I'm not really into that. You know, trying to predict the market. That doesn't put money in my pocket. Well, put money in my pocket, knowing, you know, I have a strategy that basically can definitely give me consistent results by, you know, trading at key locations. No one knows if the market is going to go up, I mean, up far or down far, okay? All right, guys. Shout out to everybody that's here. Appreciate it. You said answer my question, my other question. What other question? You said, so what is our money backed by the military? No, it's pretty much backed by nothing, man. It's faith. It's based on a word. Okay, that's it. It's backed by words. All right. So it's backed by nothing, man. We had a system where it was backed by gold, but not no more. Everything is basically debt. All right, and faith. You have to have faith in the system. Yeah, man, faith. For real, bro. I mean, it is a messed up situation, but what can we do? Hit these like buttons, guys. Hit the like buttons before you exit out the chat room. Hit the like buttons before you exit out the room. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Yeah, bro. Yeah, Bobby. You know what I'm saying? We can't really do anything, man. It's backed by faith. It's a system that's based on inflation. Okay, and that's why you have to have some type of skill to make some money, because um, you don't want to worry about the little things. Like a lot of people, they worry about little things, and you don't want to be just worrying about little things. You want to be a money generator, right? You want to generate enough money so you don't have to almost care about anything, right? Because let's say that the money, right? Let's say they blow up the system, right? Well, you're not really going to care too much, okay? Because if you know how to make money, you're going to basically, whatever new system they have, you're going to make money with that new system, okay? So just focus on things that that's going to help you, that's going to help you with making big money. Hey bud, how you doing in the lockdown? What's going on? I'm doing pretty good, man. The lockdown is not affecting me because I'm used to staying home. This is what I do. I just stay home. I really don't go out that much, so I'm straight, man. I hope you guys are doing good though during the lockdown. All right, any more questions before I get out of here, guys? 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. We are out of here. Two more minutes and we are out of here. Hope you guys have been studying. This weekend. All right, I'll give you guys 2 more minutes. But overall, guys, Bitcoin does have more upside. But just be prepared for any type of selling going on. We could definitely get maybe another up move, but we'll see. I think it has to pull back soon, though. If it's not this week, maybe next week or a month from now. So we will see. Hey, what's going on, Robert? How's the little one, man? Little one's doing good. Little one's growing up. How's your little one, Robert? I hope your little one's doing good, bro. So I know you said you had one on the way. I think that was last year. So shout out to you, man. You said mine is turning 2 this month. Shout out to you, man. Yeah, mine's turned 2 a couple months ago, man. Shout out to you. They grow up quick, right, Robert? They go up real quick. So Bobby asked, so if Americans can print trillions of dollars with no value and the third world countries can't provide their people with everyday issues, why can't other countries do the same? Well, other countries are doing the same. Other countries are doing the same. It's just that America is basically no. The way America built their country, right? The way they built it, it was based on a capitalist system. So it's based on us consuming, all right, and us basically making money. So whatever your country is based on, that's the reason why different countries run you know differently, because some countries is not really about capital. They don't want their citizens to have a lot of money. But America, they say, you know what, we're going to try to make it fair. Anybody can make this money if you know what you're doing. So different rules, different countries, But eventually, things might change. So that's why I had to make sure you guys know that, so you can be prepared. Things might change. So it might not be like this all the time. So that's why you have to make sure you're straight now. So if they decide to switch, okay, at least you have money. Let me see. I discovered your channel before my daughter was born. Yeah, man. Shout out to you, bro. I learned TA through your courses, and I got to say I have done well this year, man. Shout out to Robert. Robert said he learned TA through my courses, and he said he's been doing well this year, man. Shout out to you, man. So you should pull up. You said you should pull up gold and silver. Yeah, that's the last thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get out of here. So gold right here. Basically gold. What's going on with gold? Let me see. Gold. Okay, so gold is finding some type of resistance right here. Let me back up. All right, we're finding some type of resistance, minor resistance. Let's say that first. Right here. Remember, we have that resistance right here. Think about it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. In the past, 3 times they try to go past this level. Guess what? We hit this level again. Okay. So guess what? We are seeing sellers coming in the market. So we have some type of double top right here. So couple of things could happen, man. We can probably fight through this, or we might see a pullback. Now, even if we do see a pullback, doesn't mean that this is the end of this move. It could be a minor pullback, all right. But we are fighting against this level. We're trying to fight through this level right here. Okay, now let's look at silver. Silver is a interesting beast right here, because overall we had a nice little sell-off, and we had like a nice little V recovery. Now we gotta hope silver. I think silver actually has the ability to go right back to the $19 mark. How long? I don't know. We'll see. But I think silver, could continue to go up. So if silver continues to go up, then most likely gold will continue to go up. Now we will see. We don't. Right now it looks like it's finding support right here. So everything's looking good. It looks like it's trying to bounce back up. So we will see. I think it will bounce back up, at least to this, where a lot of sellers sold off right here. So it could definitely go right back to this area right here. It was $16, $17 easily. All right, guys. So thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate everybody that's watching me. Appreciate all my subscribers, and appreciate everybody that's watching that replay. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, And if you have any questions about anything, you can email me or write a comment in below this video. If you want more information about what I do, just go in the description. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a great day. And that's about it. I'm out of here, man. You said that something had physical problems. Gold, silver. Yeah, I hear you, bro. I'm about to get out of here. My daughter just woke up. Hit those like buttons. And, yeah, keep studying, guys. Tayden said, been follow you on 1 or 2 years throughout the past time. You are consistent and more accurate in your strategy. Well done for warning to be cautious. Shout out to you. Shout out to Tayden, man. Shout out to Tayden. Tayden's thanking me because he said that he's one of the guys. I'm one of the guys that he follows. Shout out to you, man. I appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. All right, guys. So I'll talk to you guys later. And please, guys, have a great day.